Limes are popular around the world for their distinct and pleasant taste and their ability to enhance the flavor of different recipes. You can also add them to your water or even your favorite smoothie recipes. Not only do limes accent the flavor of the foods we eat, but they also have numerous health benefits for our body and can promote our overall health in a number of important ways. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming limes consistently. First, limes are loaded with healthy nutrition and contain many different important vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Specifically, they are well known for being high in vitamin C content. They also contain good amounts of calcium, copper, phosphorus, vitamin E, and magnesium. As well, limes are an excellent source of antioxidant and phytochemical compounds, such as kaempferol and polyphenols, and even contain some dietary fibre. Limes can also help to boost our overall immunity and strengthen our immune system. This is largely attributed to the excellent levels of vitamin C found in limes. This allows them to help reduce the duration and severity of certain infections, while also improving symptoms related to diarrhea and common cold and flu. Not only do limes contain high levels of vitamin C, but they also contain many different potent antioxidant compounds. These antioxidants help to promote immunity and eliminate damaging free radicals that can compromise our immune system. They can also help to improve the overall health of our heart and reduce the risks associated with heart disease. Limes can help to reduce the buildup of plaque found in the arteries and lower the risks of atherosclerosis. The high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants have also been found to protect against heart disease and promote the overall health of our cardiovascular system by eliminating free radicals and reducing the risk of oxidative stress and inflammation. If that wasn't enough, the good levels of fibre found in limes can help to lower blood pressure while lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body. Limes can also help to improve digestion and reduce common digestive ailments. This is often attributed to the natural acidity of limes and the good levels of fibre they contain. The flavonoids found in limes are also especially helpful in this regard, as they can help to stimulate our digestive system and promote the secretion of bile and digestive juices. They can also help to relieve symptoms associated with heartburn and acid reflux, while also promoting nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat. Lastly, limes can help to promote the overall health and look of our skin. Again, the high amounts of vitamin C in limes can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of premature aging. The high levels of antioxidants can also eliminate skin-damaging free radicals, which can help our skin to look more radiant and younger looking. Also, limes can help to build collagen, rejuvenate the skin, and reduce acne and blemishes. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.